Hey guys, we received this GUSGU 10000mAh Airline approved power bank. It's a built-in chargers and the cables. We received it for test and try. So let's just open the box and see. So this is the main charging box, and you can see the sideways is the cable, is a USB-C and a lightning cable here. So you can charge, all these different devices. You can also add this as a charging port for the USB and the other things. It's a inbuilt charging switch as well. So say like if I have this USB-C, so I just start charging here, as you can see, and this is the lightning thing. So we can see the charging here. So I can charge like two different devices, like a iPhone with a lightning cable and a USB-C device, and I can also add different USB on the top. So this is the inbuilt charging thing that you can just put in here and it will start charging the battery pack. So this is all it built in thing, and you can easily carry it anywhere. Very nice looking one, and with all these different thing you can charge many stuff. So very nice charging power bank.